Welcome back to 99 Reviews. Today, we're diving into a truly unique creation, a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine, built using the nano-banana model. This isn't just a digital render, it's a concept that brings your favorite character into the real world right on your desk. Here's the figurine in all its glory. Set on a round, transparent acrylic base, with no distracting text or logos, the focus stays entirely on the character itself. Notice how the PVC material is clearly represented, giving it that authentic, high-quality collectible vibe. On the computer screen, you can actually see the brush modeling process. This shows the transformation step by step, from digital sculpting to the finished figure. A perfect look at how craftsmanship meets creativity. And right next to it, we have the packaging box. Designed in a Bandai style, it features clean, two-dimensional flat illustrations. The original artwork is printed front and center, making the box itself a collectible piece of art. Now, here's my favorite part. Behind the figure, the box showcases the character in stunning print. And in front, the 3D figurine version comes to life, standing proudly on its acrylic base. It's a seamless blend of 2D and 3D, turning a photo into something you can actually display. And the best part? You can actually do this yourself. All you need to do is upload your photo to Gemini AI and use the exact prompt I've shared in the video description. Gemini will process your image and generate a 3D model complete with realistic details, packaging concepts, and figurine styling. It's that simple. One photo, one prompt, and you've got your own personalized collectible concept. The PVC finish is especially important here. It adds durability while capturing every fine detail of the sculpt. Plus, the indoor background setting gives it that realistic, commercial look, as if you just unboxed it from a high-end toy store. So, what do you think of this 1/7 scale nano-banana model figurine concept? From the lifelike sculpting process to the BANDAl-inspired packaging, it's a collector's dream. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which character you'd like to see turned into a figure next. This is 99 Reviews, where we explore the coolest concepts and creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing reviews every week.